Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 4, Scene 5. Zoper sighed Palmyra, Fenor. Fenor said, "Oh, dreadful sight! What's here?" Zoper said, "I wish I could have seen my friend. Heraclitus, Fenor, art thou there? Behold, my murderer." Points to side. Fenor said, "O guilt, accursed deed, unhappy side, look upon thy father." Side said, "Who?" Palmyra said, "He." Side said, "My father?" Zoper said, "Gracious heaven." Fenor said, "Heraclitus, in his last moments, took me to his arms, and weeping cried, 'If there be time, O haste, prevent a parricide, and stop the arm of side. In my breast the tyrant lodged, the dreadful secret, now I suffer for it, and die by Mahomet's detested hand. Haste, Fenor, fly, inform the hapless Zoper that Side and Palmyra are his children." Side said, "Palmyra." Palmyra said, "Thou, my brother." Zoper said, "O ye gods, O nature, thou hast not deceived me then, when thou didst please for them. Unhappy Side, what could have urged thee to so foul a deed?" Side, kneeling, said, "My gratitude, my duty, my religion, all that mankind holds sacred, urged me on to do the worst of actions. Give me back that fatal weapon." Palmyra, laying hold of Side's arm, said, "Plunge it in my breast. I was the cause of my dear father's murder, and incest is the price of parricide." Side said, "Strike both. Heaven hath not punishment enough for crimes like ours." Zoper, embracing them, said, "Let me embrace my children. The gods have poured into my cup a sorrow, a draught of sweetest happiness. I die, contented, and resign me to my fate. But you must live, my children, you, my Side, and you, Palmyra, by the sacred name of nature, by the dying father's blood, fast flowing from the wound which thou hast made. Let me entreat you, live. Revenge yourselves, avenge the injured Zoper, but preserve your gracious lives. The great important hour approaches that must change the mournful scene. The offended people, ere tomorrow's dawn, will rise in arms and punish the usurper. My blood will add fresh fuel to the rage. Let us await the issue." Side said, "I fly to sacrifice the monster, to take vengeance for a dear father's life, or lose my own." So the implication is that the chiefs of Mecca were the real power in terms of the political thing at this point still. And also the issue of, if parents don't do what's right concerning their children, are, some issues are played with the whole adopted son bit where the ancestry is hidden and all that stuff. You end up, having incest occur sometimes. Sometimes even marriages are laid forth and people don't know it's an incestuous marriage.